Hello. I just wanted to give everybody a quick heads up that I actually wrote a book. If you want to know the exact method I use to achieve that state of seeing the whole world as one and made of light and knowing everything and being everything and seeing everything from the world soul, this is the book. It's got these step-by-step instructions. It's got also everything I've learned or tried to learn about, Tai Chi and everything Buddhist and Taoist. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Darin Hamel. I'm a special operations combat veteran. I've got over 21,000 hours of meditation experience of seeing the ultimate truth of the universe, which if you buy the book, you'll read about it. And I've also been a worshipful master of a Masonic lodge, run 50 miles, got a college degree now, just a regular guy. Talk to y'all later. Hope you buy the book. And if you do buy the book, remember, put a review in there. That would really help me out a lot. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.